My first video here, we're going to be solving a warm-up problem, warm-up 1 problem to be exact, on the Coding Bat website for Python users. I've selected one of the problems at random here, and this problem that we're dealing with is called near 100. You can find it on the Coding Bat website. So this problem, given an int n, return true if it is within 10 of 100 or 200. Note, absolute number computes the absolute value of a number. So, in this problem, you can see we have 3 examples. If you give it 93 to the function near 100, it should return true. If you give 90 to the function near 100, it should return true. And if you give 89 to the function near 100, it will return false. Okay, so we have already our function defined here. Define near 100 and our variable n, which is our parameter, our only parameter for this function. Inside the function, we're going to be using that parameter to decide what we want to do here. So we're going to say if n, and we're going to put this first statement into parentheses. You'll see why in a second here. If n is greater than 89, and here we go, n, but less than 111, or, and here's our second statement, so we just solved for it being within 10 of 100, we now have to solve with it being within 10 of 200. So, or 189 is greater than that, and greater than 211. Then we're going to return true in that case. Now in all other cases, it's not going to be within 10 of those 2 values, so else we will return false. And there's a couple different ways you could write that. You could also just erase this if you'd like to, and just put that return down here. But, put that return down here. But I personally think it's nicer to put that else in, just so you can see that. Okay, and we can run that problem right here by doing print. Sorry, let me give that one more line to be within formatting rules. Print near 100, and we're going to give it the value 200. And let's run that real quick. Oh, sorry, I have it down here. You'll see that gave us 200. Now, that's going to be true. What if we tried that again, but we gave it something like the value of 1? So the first one's going to be true, and the second one will be false, as you can see right here. And let's try a negative number really quick, just to see if that screws this up at all. -3, and that'll just be false as well. Okay, so here you have the solution, and thank you very much.